Hello, I'm going to show you in this quick video on how to use Google Calendar to make advising appointments for your students. Click on the Apps menu, then click on Calendar. Pick the day you want to set up an appointment. And keep in mind you have to do appointments for each day you want to have appointments. So I'm going to choose April 6th just because I have nothing on my calendar that day. And I'm going to go back to the time I want to have a appointment. So I'm going to click noon. And then when it comes up to this window, you click on appointment slots and you do more options. I'm going to put in here 2020 advising appointments. I'm going to choose the start time and the end time. I found that doing video chat 15 minutes works nicely, or you could do 20 minutes. You could put some kind of description in here. We can meet using Google Hangouts or Google Call. And that looks good. Before we hit save, we're going to click save, and there it shows up. And then you can click here to get the URL to where your schedule is. I copy and paste the whole thing, and I'm able to send it out to my students using WebAdvisor.